Hi all, so now we're going to do some practice questions. Couple, multiple choice, one long answer question with quadratic formula. All right, so all the different scenarios that we talked about in the last session are still on the table here, so we got to see what's going to come rolling at us. Aha, an error analysis question. Don't think we've had one of those yet. It says Jesse uses quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. His incorrect solution is shown. In which step does Jesse make his first mistake? Well, it's too bad Jesse made a mistake, but let's see if we can figure out where he may have gone wrong here. Step 1. Well, I don't think there's much chance, if Jesse is in the course and he has the formula sheet, there's not much chance he's going to go wrong in step 1 there, because it looks like he just wrote out the formula. And that's a good way to start. And it is negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Step 2. Did he fill the formula in correctly? Well, let's see. According to the equation here, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, and c is going to be equal to negative 1. So let's see. b is equal to 5, that's right. b squared will be 5 squared, okay. a is 3. C is negative 1, looks good so far. And then A is 3. Yep, so the first two steps look okay to me. Alrighty, let's see what you did next, Jesse. Now, he's from there just doing some arithmetic. So the negative 5 he didn't change. And 2 times 3 downstairs is 6, that looks good. 5 squared is 25, so far so good. 4 times 3 times negative 1 is negative 12. Aha! Jesse. Look at the mistake that Jesse made. Here's what he did. He took 4 times 3 times negative 1, and he got negative 12, which is correct, right? But he's subtracting negative 12. So if you're subtracting negative 12, shouldn't you end up with plus 12? Seems to me like you should. So that should actually be plus 12, and this becomes like square root of 37 here. So the first mistake he made was right here in step 3. Poor Jesse. Okay, what's next? Determine the roots of 3x squared plus 7x minus 2 to 2 decimal places. Does it factor? Might, I don't know. 3 2's are negative 6. 2 factors of negative 6 that add up to positive 7. Nope, got to go with quadratic formula. So x equals negative b, mas or menos, the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. If you don't like to look at your formula sheet, you can always just tattoo that to the insides of your eyelids. That works nice too. So if we have a equals 3, or b equals 7, and c equals negative 2. All right, so negative b is going to be negative 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared will be 49 minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is negative 2. All divided by 2 times a, 2 times 3. Okay, so it's negative 7 plus or minus square root of. Got to work these things out before we can put them with that 49, multiplication, order of operations. 2 negatives are going to make a positive in the end here. 3 4s are 12 times 2 looks like 24. All right, all divided by 6. So we end up with negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 73 there, all over 6. So to 2 decimal places, we've got to plug and chug this into our calculator if we do it 2 different ways. So the first way is going to be negative 7 plus root 73 over 6. And then we're going to have to do, that's if we use the positive version, and that'll give us an answer. And then we'll have to do the negative version, which will be negative 7 minus root 73 over 6. So let's see what we get for that now. I am getting, for the positive version, 0.26 to 2 decimal places. And for the negative version, I'm getting negative 2.59. Okay, looks good to me. Those are not equal, of course. They're approximately equal. Very important. Alrighty, So that's it. Same stuff we saw. We get all those different cases, but we got to be able to handle them all. Good luck.